Okay, this is the SUC. Okay, this is Seoul University College. It's quite slow. Okay. So this is a Seoul University College. Okay. So, and this Seoul University College. Okay. So, for example, if I click here, Learning Resource Center. When I click to Learning Resource Center, Learning Resource Center is library, you know, LLC. Okay. This is for the borrowing book and so on. For the study group, consultation room is there. So when I click here, I don't know, it is very slow. Oh, I'm talking, right? I think you didn't hear. Okay, so just now I was already talking. Sorry. Okay, so I just want to tell you today that I only finished 2 slides for today, what we are going to learn, another part 3. Okay, so we have a creating links and the inserting image. Image means that the pictures you are going to insert into your website. Okay, so we have for the hyperlinks, we have 2 types. The first one is that within the website, okay, within the website, you are going to insert the, okay, things. For example, just now I showed you when I click the Learning Resource Center, it is linked to the library LLC from the website. Okay, but if you click this one, we are going to make it like we have a website, but when we click, it is going to link to the Google. Okay, so there are 2 types of the link, okay, inside your website, or it is going to link to the outside, external, okay, link. So I'm just going to, let's go for the 2 things now, okay. Open the, the notepad here. I have a notepad link, okay. And this example, and this slides, this example, okay, we have only HTML and body. The heading part is removed, okay, because the heading part you already know. If you want to see the title, for example, like Seoul University College or something like this is the heading part here. Okay, this is Seoul University College, this is the heading part. Okay, so if you don't want to put that one heading part, then you don't have to write it here. But whatever you write inside the body, you already know it is appear and displays it. These are the body part. Okay, so that's why in this example, I just want to show you that the heading is not going to be there. There is not going to be title. Okay, but they are only these things. So I will copy these things from here. And then I have it here. I will just paste it here. And let's see here, what are the things that we need to know. Okay, I will make it a bigger size now. So this is HTML, open, and then heading part we remove. So there won't be any title in here. Okay, then after that we close the body and we close the HTML. Okay, so now here, let's see, this is the part that here. We talk about the paragraph. Paragraph P is for paragraph open and paragraph close. So, and here you have to know this AHREF. This is AHREF, which means that it is the link. Whenever you click there, it will link to the another one. So, and here they say that it is going to link to my exercise 1 HTML. See, exercise 1 HTML is the last class we did it, okay? And the documents here, I have exercise 1's documents, exercise 1 HTML. When I open this one, then this is the things. And the exercise 1.html, I have this one. Okay, so now you are going to create the new one. So from the new website, you are going to link to this place. Okay, so this is how we are going to do is that I will show you here. Sorry, this one I can close. I want to close this one University College and this thing also. Okay, let's go here. So now exercise 1. I'm going to link from my new website to the exercise 1. So that's why, and this place, they say that the link, AHREF is for the link. Exercise 1, I'm going to link to the exercise 1 web page. So this text is a link to a page on this website. So which means that whatever your website, it is going to be linked there inside the link. Okay, inside your website. For example, if you go to the Seoul University College website, when you click Learning Resource Center, it is going to link to the Learning Resource Center of Seoul University College. So that's why, and on your website, it is a link between pages. Okay, but when you are going for here, AHREF, this is for the Google.com. It is going to link to the Google. Okay, from your website. Okay, when you click this one, it is going to link to the Google. Okay, so this text is a link to a page on the World Wide Web. World Wide Web means that on the internet, okay, it is going to link to the Google. So now here, you don't have to put the Google. It is, you can put it www.youtube.com. So it is going to link to the YouTube from your website. Okay, so what you have to know only here is that, okay, what you have to know here is that you have to know one thing is here. These are the fixed AHREF and AHREF equal. So you have to open here and you have to close. So, and here, this is the creation of my website last time. Okay, so I want to link this one, okay, within my website. This is one of the page that I created. But in this example, it is going to link to the World Wide Web. It is from the internet. It is not I created. It is somebody created. So it will go to the google.com. If you change to the YouTube here, it will go to the youtube.com. Okay, so what only it is going to appear, and your website is only this one is going to appear. Others inside here, this is not going to appear in your website. Whatever you put it here, it is not going to appear in the website. We will see here, only this text is appear. This text is a link to the page on website. Okay, only this going to be appear. And then another one is this text, okay, is a link to a page on the World Wide Web. Only these lines are going to appear. Okay, so this starting from here, AHREF, and this one, whatever you write inside here is not going to appear. This allow you to link only, okay, to the another page. So now we have a two example, and this example, okay, this is going to link to the website, web page that I created. Okay, but this is going to link to the website. It is going to be on the internet. Okay, it is already on the internet. Okay, not I created. This is I created. This is my website, and then this is the from the internet website. Okay, so there are two links, but writing is the same thing here. AHREF, AHREF. Okay, but here are the website address. Here are not website address. This is my page. Okay, I created last time. Remember, ssi1.html. Okay, so this will link to my website, and then this will link to the website and the internet. Okay, so let's run and see now, and then I will show you the changes. Okay, file, save as. Okay, I'm going to save on the desktop, but you have to know where you save. You can save it on desktop or something like this, but I'm going to save it in my documents folder here. Okay, so now I'm going to give the link name. I will just give like HYPER-LINKS links, hyperlinks dot HTML. I give the name called hyperlinks.html. Then after that, I save. Okay, so when I go to the documents now, see, I already have a hyperlinks here. This is the hyperlinks. Okay, so when I click this one, this is already with my browser icon. Again, I told you that some students might have a Mozilla icon or IE Internet Explorer. Okay, when I click this one, this is the things here. See, I want to compare you with these things. Okay, so which one is appear here is only these things. See, which one is appear? Let me make something smaller. Okay, so this is the thing. See, only this part is appear here. Okay, whatever you write inside here, it is not appear. See, AHREF, it is not appear here. And this A close is also not appear. Only starting from this text is like underlined here. the color and underline, because it gives you the link here. That's why it's appear like the link icon. These are, you cannot click here. Only this place you can click and this place. So whatever you start with the A here and A close, this allow you for link like this. It is coming like the color and underline. Okay, but others are just a text. Others are just a text. Okay, so these are the two things. So now I will link for you now, because look at the here. In my browser, I have a post web development and I have here. Okay, and here I don't have the title here because I have only hyperlinks.html because there is no heading part. Because if I put the heading, for example, like SSI1 or something like this, I can have it here. But because now you don't have hyperlink, so they just give whatever I see the name here. So when I click here, it is going to link to the my SSI1. Remember, I put here, it is going to link to the SSI1. Last time I did it. So I will click here and it is go to the my SSI1 link. Okay, this is the my SSI1. So go back here now. So this link is going to give to the google.com. Okay, now I click here and it is go to the google.com. So these are the two different things. Okay, whatever you create or something like this. Now let me change now. Okay, one thing I want to change is that, and here you can change the text, whatever you want to appear here. I don't want this text. I want to put, for example, SSI, EXER, CISE, SSI 1, or whatever it is. You can put it here. Whatever you appear, it is going to appear here. So now I also don't want to put it here, this one. I want to put it Google, Google, Google. I put it like this. So now this text is going to change to SSI1 and this text is going to change to Google. You remember this one, I changed it now. So what you have to do is the file, save, okay, and then go and refresh or reload here. See, it is changed to SSI1 and then it is changed to Google. So when you click here, it is the same thing. It will link to the my SSI1, and then if you click the Google, it will link to the Google page. Okay, now let's change to the, not the Google one. Let's change to the, I want to go to YouTube. Here. YOUTUBE, youtube.com. Okay, and here you can write it YouTube, YOU, okay, TUBE, YouTube. Okay, so you already know here the YouTube is going to appear in here, and then it will link to the YouTube because the link is given the YouTube. Now I will save it here, and when I go and refresh, it is going to give you the real YouTube here. So when I click YouTube here, it is going to link to the YouTube. See, let's go to the YouTube. Okay, so it is interesting and then it is easy. Okay, so girls, okay, so this is about the hyperlink. Okay, so the first one is within the page, it is linking, but another one is it is the outside on the website, it is linking. Okay, so what you have to know is that it is not going to appear whatever you write inside here. Okay, it is not going to appear. Only what is written inside here before the A close and open here. This is only going to appear in your website with the color and underline. With the color and underline. Okay, any questions, girls, regarding about these two links? Any questions, please? Because if you have questions, you can do, because I will give you the example for the how the and the exam is coming. Okay, and then we can practice here. Okay, so we can also practice based on the exam things. Okay, now next one is that I want to show you about the next page. Next page, I will give you with the exercise with the how the question can be asked in the exam. Okay, so this is here, this is the output, okay, based on this one. Okay, but now I already show you how to change this text. No meaning, href is fixed, no meaning, there is no meaning. This is the fixed form, like a href. This one we cannot do because this is how the program they design. Okay, no more changing href. We don't know also what is the href. We also don't know what is a. This is the things. Okay, we only know that this is a tag, a href. We use it for the link. Okay, there is no meaning for that. Okay, so you must use a href for the link. A href if you want to link from your website to any other places. And then after this a, you have to close a. You have to close it. No closing href. Okay, only close a. Okay, there is no meaning, no change, no fix. Fix, this is a href is fixed, no change, no change. Okay, only change here. Where you want to link, only change the main. Where you want to link, only change. Okay, this a href is no changing, it is fixed. Fixed, and then it is close a is also fixed. Close a is also fixed for the link. Okay, for the link, a href is fixed, close a is fixed, a href is fixed. No more changing, these are fixed. Okay, so no changing. Whenever you want to put the link in your website, you must write a href. This is the fixed. Okay, then let's go for the image inserting now. Okay, I want to show you how you can image insert. Okay, so before you already know this body background, you already know how to put the color. Remember, we put the color. Body background equal to, for example, yellow color or something like this. Okay, but now we want to put the image. Image. We want to put the image now. Okay, let's go now. How to put the things one. Okay, before remember, I have like for body background, BACKGROUND background equal to, I put for example YELLOW yellow. Remember, this is a body BG background. This color will change to the yellow color. See, or save, save. I already saved, right? Save and reload. Huh? This is not changing. Why? My coding is wrong. Body, background, not background, VG color. Sorry, VGCOLOR. VG color, yellow, for the background yellow color. Okay, fine, save and refresh. See, this is the yellow color. Okay, now we don't want this color. We want to put the one of the image at the back. Okay, so how to put the image at the back? Now, if you have a picture already, no problem. But if you want to find the pictures, I will show you now. Okay, for example, you can take it from Seoul University College or whatever it is. Okay, you can have anything, background images, BACK, background images. I just click background images and then I go to here. And then you can choose any images, whatever you think is good enough for you. Okay, but it is going to be anything. You can write it or you can put it. For example, I will choose this one. Click here. And after that, you save it. Save as. Save image as. You have to save. Save image as. You are going to save this image. Okay. And then I'm saving in my document because everything must be in same place. If you are saving in desktop, everything must be in desktop. Now I'm going to save this one as what? What is this? I also don't know. Maybe I will say this is what? Background, BACKGROUND, background 1. Because any name you can give, any name you can give. Okay, so when you are saving here, give the name, okay, and then you have to see here, what is the type you are saving. This is automatically the type they put it there. This is called JPEG. JPEG extension, because there are many different types of the images you have to know. JPEG, PNG, and so on. Okay, PNG, so on. So you have to know also this extension. Okay, because now my extension is JPEG. This is also called JPG. Okay, we can delete the E. Okay, sometimes the image background is PNG. Okay, I will show you also this is how different. So I already gave here background 1. I gave the name background 1 and save. Okay, so it is already downloaded there. Okay, so when I go and check my documents here, I already have here background one. Okay, so the type is here is JPG file. See, JPG file. Okay, and here as you see, the type is here PNG file. Okay, so this is a two different things. So you have to know what is your image type. Okay, so this is the things. So this background is JPG and then SUC is PNG. So now I'm going to insert this background. See, when I open this background, it is very slow coming. Let's see. I will show you just now. Open with not Paint 3D. Photo. Sometimes opening is takes time also. I don't know. Very slow. Okay, this is the background. I'm going to insert this background and my WhatsApp. Okay, instead of the yellow color. Okay, the name you already know. I show you the name. The name is I save it as a background one .jpg because the extension is .jpg. Okay, so what you are going to do is that, okay, inserting the image, I already told you here, this is the background. This name is going to be changed inside here. I have to change to background one .jpg extension, not PNG extension, like JPG extension. Okay, so I copy here to my notepad. I will open this and then I go to this my link and then I want to show you the different. Not no more BG color. I go to here background, not SUC. I have to put a different thing called BACK background one dot not PNG JPG. This is the things. Okay, so this is the things that I save it just now for the internet, and the extension is JPG. This one is I'm going to put at the background instead of yellow color. So now I save it and reload. See, do you see? This is the things. Okay, so it is easy and it is interesting. So now my background is this one. Okay, so this is up to the students. Okay, whether you take your pictures, or for me, I don't have pictures, so I go to the Google and I find. But if you have your nice picture, you can put it there as a background pictures. Okay, so now this is the background image. Now I want to show you how to insert the image inside here. For example, in your website, you want to put your pictures or your friends' pictures and this and that. Okay, so now let's go for the image insert. This is a background insert. Okay, so now we have an image inserting here. Okay, so I'm just going to write this is part first. Image I will explain the center was later. Now only how to insert the image. Edit copy and then go to the here notepad and I'm going to insert the image at the end here. Only the simple one. IMG SRC. This is also the fix. You don't have to change anything for this one. This is like the fix like this. Okay, this is for the whenever you want to insert the image, you must write this one. IMG SRC. This is no more changing. Fix. Okay, I have here girl.jpg. I already downloaded from the internet. Okay, for testing here. I already have here girl. GI girl. The name I gave is a girl. Property is JPG. This is the I inserted. Okay, so now let's go and change that. I'm going to insert this girl pictures inside here. So now I will save it here. Running time out. File, save, refresh. Huh? Why? I didn't save it. Girl, GIR girl.jpg. Yes. Oh, this open and close is wrong, I think. Okay, open and close is wrong. File, save, refresh. See, This is the girl pictures I have inserted. Okay, so how you are going to adjust the size? See, because this is very big, you don't want it to be this big, you want it to be the smaller size. So you can adjust the size. This is also I have given here. The size, for example, based on your choice, width and height. Width is this side, height is this side. Okay, so how you can edit here. Now let's go and edit. This is one of the example I want to adjust. So which means that this bigger pictures is going to change to the smaller size. Okay, because we cannot put these big pictures. If you want to put this, is okay, but I'm just showing you how you can adjust the size here. Okay, yeah. This is the width is this one. The height is this one. Okay, so now we put 460 or 360. It is up to you. Okay, you can adjust. Now if I save and refresh, see, this is the size. Okay, so this is the things that you can, okay, adjust the size of the picture. I can change it here. For example, I will change this 400 to 260, or here height is 150 or 170. It is up to you. File, save, and reload. See, this is the price. Okay, so these are the how you are inserting the background image, and the image is set into the body. Okay, students, it's interesting, right? Right? But and here there is another point is called the alter, is that give the name of the pictures. Okay, so that when somebody download the pictures and then the name is appear for saving part. Okay, but it is again optional. Only you need this one and then this need and hide. Okay, so this alter part is optional. If you want to put, you can put it. If you don't want to put, it is not going to appear. It is the you give the name for the pictures. Okay. Okay, you want me to put these things in the YouTube? Okay, I'm recording now. Okay, so I will upload it, inshallah, maybe by before 4 p.m. because I have class after this. Okay, then after that, I will put the link in the today lecture. After today lecture, I will put the link, hyperlink, and image inside it. Okay, so again, it is interesting and then not difficult at all for creating your own website. Okay, so today we learn about the how to link and then how to insert the background image and how to insert the image in the body inside, and then how to resize the image also. Okay, so let's stop today here. Okay, and then again we will practice this one again. I will give some of the exercises with the questions, and then you can practice inshallah next week during the practical time. Oh, we still have a class? Yeah, we have tomorrow practical class, right? Okay, tomorrow practical class, we can practice. I will make one of the questions for the how can be answer in the exam. I mean, then we will practice inshallah. Okay, right? Let's stop it today. Okay, then again, I will upload because now I'm recording. I will upload this and to the YouTube, and then I will give the link under the today class inshallah. Okay, any more questions, students? Any more questions, please? Or otherwise, we will stop it here. See you tomorrow for practical, inshallah. Because we are just going to learn whatever we did it, okay? With the, all the combination, inshallah. It will be easy. Any questions? Okay. Okay, so we will stop it today. Okay. Okay, see you tomorrow, inshallah, for the practical part. We will just, I'm not going to teach new things. Whatever we learn, I will make the questions how can be asked, and then we will practice them. Okay, take care. See you tomorrow, inshallah.